watch this before you throw away your heater.
Inside here, this is bad.
So let's you can remove the screws from the base. I wonder why they use these kerosene screws, but no problem. You remove the cover from behind, and then it exposes the mechanical and electrical contacts and lever systems. Then you remove the screw there. This one is a misaligned leads. The contacts are not aligned due to internal arcing. There was a loose connection inside, and now you are not holding right, so we have to replace this. Let's remove it. Yeah, slowly, because the pilot lamp is attached to it. It has to come out, the whole of it.
This one I don't advise.
As you can see,
this one. So what we
the alignment is not straight. That's why it failed. So let's replace it with this new one.
Make sure the seal is good.
Check the inside. The seal
water
must
not seep through this.
Be well laid to avoid seepage of water out. So realign it at the center, very nice, and put back the screws. Now putting back the screws. Then you tighten well enough. While checking the alignment, you must lie at the center to position the pilot lamp. In this one, it goes up there to where the switch is. Make sure the wires are not crossing through the pins. Now we are doing the switch up there.
This one is now sliding well. Now we insert this one in.
And then the switching lever system. Now it's done. Let's check the alignments. It's holding well on the plate. And the power supply. It's holding very well.
And it's working.
And heater is working now. If you press it on, pilot lamp lights and the heater is working very well. I have to, you can now close it down, close it up, the cover. Yeah. So the cost of doing this was like 30% of the initial cost. Thank you for watching, and please like down there and subscribe. Thank you. Nice moments.